Hello, Alona. This is your tutor, Jolanta. How are you doing? How is your uh, vacation going? I believe you are on vacation for Easter. I wanted to record a story for you and to let you know that I'm thinking of you. Today's story will be Rainstorm. Today, I will go out to play. When I look outside and see the rain, I am very sad. When I hear the thunder, I am very mad. Now that the storm is done, I will play in the mud. It is not that bad. Now I am having fun and I am very glad. Now answer those questions. What does a character in the story want to do? Why can the character go out and play at the beginning of the story? Why it is muddy outside? Why do you think the character is glad at the end of the story? Okay, Alana, I miss you and I will talk to you again next Wednesday. Have a good week.